Today I decided to write out all the different voter registration deadlines and counting the days before the election that someone needs to register. And the reason that I did this is because there's a lot of variety, and I always say midterms are the hardest elections to be registered to first. And showing the variety hopefully gets it across that we need to talk to young people about this because it's not the same everywhere. So there's a handful of states that you don't have to register in advance and you can register on election day. And then there's some states like Montana where you have to have 1 day in advance. Then there's 10 days like Massachusetts and New York, 11, Utah and Nebraska. Then there's 2 weeks out, 14, Wyoming. A few give it at 15, South Dakota, Pennsylvania, Iowa, California, Alabama. And then you've got 18 for Connecticut. 21 is another one where West Virginia, Oregon, New Jersey, Maryland, and Kansas all have that. Then Virginia, you have to have 22 days out, 25 days for 3 other states, 28 days for 3 other states, 29 days for a handful of states, and 30 days for the most states other than 0 days, which is Texas, Tennessee, South Carolina, Rhode Island, Ohio, Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, Alaska. And then you've got others like North Dakota where you don't have to register. And then places like Missouri, Georgia, and Delaware where it's something like the 4th Sunday before the election or like the 3rd Wednesday after a day that we don't know about. And so the reason I put this out here is because it's hard to understand all these things. It's hard to learn these things. And for young voters, we have to do what we can to teach them about voting, and registering to vote is the first step.